BMW is entering a new chapter with the all-new iX3, and one of the biggest signs of its progress comes from the latest Euro NCAP safety tests. The electric sport utility vehicle was among the first models evaluated under the organization's much tougher 2026 testing protocol. Even with the stricter requirements, the new iX3 earned the highest possible 5-star safety rating, showing that BMW's next-generation electric platform has been engineered with safety as a top priority. The revised Euro NCAP evaluation goes far beyond traditional crash testing. Engineers now examine how well a vehicle helps drivers avoid accidents, protects occupants during a collision, and responds after an impact. Driver awareness, vehicle controls, and advanced safety technology all play a much larger role than before. The BMW iX3 performed strongly throughout the testing program, proving it is ready for the next era of automotive safety. In the safe driving category, the vehicle received a score of 73%. Euro NCAP noted that the score was affected because the system cannot fully detect whether the front passenger is seated correctly or identify certain improper seatbelt situations. Even so, BMW's decision to keep physical controls for important vehicle functions was viewed as a positive feature because it reduces the need to rely entirely on the touchscreen while driving. Crash avoidance was another area where the iX3 impressed. The vehicle achieved an 83% score, exceeding Euro NCAP's updated requirements. Its advanced driver assistance technologies are designed to recognize potential hazards, support emergency braking, and help drivers maintain better control during challenging situations. These systems work together to reduce the likelihood of an accident before it even happens. The strongest message came from the crash protection evaluation. Although the iX3 received an overall score of 86%, a marginal chest protection result for the driver during the demanding full-width crash test slightly reduced its final rating. Even with that deduction, the vehicle still demonstrated a high level of occupant protection across multiple crash scenarios. After a collision, the iX3 continued to perform exceptionally well. It earned 95% in the post-crash safety category thanks to systems that automatically isolate the high-voltage battery, assist emergency responders through electronic call functions, and help occupants exit the vehicle safely after an accident. For BMW, these results represent much more than another 5-star rating. They demonstrate that the Neue Klasse generation is being developed with advanced safety technologies that meet increasingly demanding global standards. As buyers continue to expect more from electric vehicles, the new BMW iX3 shows it is prepared to deliver strong protection, intelligent driver assistance, and confidence behind the wheel from the moment it reaches the road.